Hi guys, today I am going to talk about some limit problems. In this video series, I would like to teach 10 types of limit problems. So let's look at the types today I am going to cover. These are the two types of 10 ways. Number 1, plug-in method. In fact, in this method, we can get answers by directly substituting. Number 2, factoring method. We can use factor theorem, difference of two squared, difference of two cubes, or any other factor method to get factors. So let's look at them. Let's take the plug-in method first. So number 1, plug-in method. Example number 1, limit x goes to 2 x square plus 2x plus 3 over x plus 3. Okay, in this case, the first thing you should always try is to plug in the value. So substitute 2 for all x's. Then you can get a value for the limit. So look at this problem. Substitute 2 for all x's. So we can get 2 square plus 2 times 2 plus 3 over 2 plus 3. So 2 square is equal to 4 plus 2 times 2 is equal to 4 plus 3 over 5. So the answer is 11 over 5. That is your limit. So example number 2, limit x goes to 5 to x square. So substitute 5 for x, that is very easy. 2 times 5 square. So 2 times 25 is equal to 50. This is the answer. Then example number 3, limit x goes to 0 square root 64 plus x square. So substitute 0 for x. Limit x goes to 0 square root 64 plus 0. So square root 64 is 8. Sorry, we can't write limit x goes to 0 when substituted the 0 for x. Okay, we are done this first method, but usually finding the limit is not this much simple. So let's look at the next method. Number 2, factoring method. Okay, the factoring technique should be applied only when a direct substitution produces 0 in both the numerator and denominator. Actually, an expression such 0 over 0 has no meaning as a real number. You know that it is called an indeterminate form. So in this method, you can conclude that the numerator and denominator must have a common factor. Finally, after factoring and dividing out, you should try direct substitution again. Okay, let's look at the first example. Example number 1, limit x goes to 1 x square minus 1 over x minus 1. Okay, first of all, we will try plug-in methods to find the limit. So substitute 1 for all x's. 1 minus 1 over 1 minus 1, 0 over 0. This is not the answer, but don't worry, this answer tells us that we must use a different method to find the limit, because the function likely has a hole at the given x value. Therefore, the factoring method can be tried. To start this method, the numerator and denominator must be factored. Actually, in this case, only numerator is factored. So, first of all, we get the numerator. You can see it is difference of 2 square. So, this is the formula for difference of 2 square. X square minus y square is equal to x minus 1 times x plus y. This is the formula for difference of 2 square. So applying this formula, we can factor x minus 1. So x square minus 1 is equal to 1 square. So x minus 1 times x plus 1. So the problem is limit x goes to 1. The numerator x square minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 plus times x plus 1 over x minus 1. So dividing out x minus 1, x minus 1 is get cancelled. So limit x goes to 1, x plus 1. So substitute 1 for x, 1 plus 1. So the answer is 2. So the answer is 2. Then example number 2. Limit x goes to 3, x square minus 7x plus 12 over x minus 3. So first we will try plugging. So substitute 3 for all x's. Square minus 7 times 3 plus 12 or 3 minus 3, so 0 over 0. So we want to try factoring method. So we can see the numerator have vectors. So x minus 3 times x minus 4 or x minus 3. Dividing out x minus 3 is get cancelled. So limit x goes to 3, x minus 4. So substitute 3 for x, 3 minus 4. So the answer is minus 1. Okay. Next example. Example number 3. Limit x goes to 3, x cube minus 27 over x minus 3. So this is the same as previous problem. If we substitute 3 for all x's, 3 cube minus 27 over 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 over 0. So we can factor the numerator by using difference of 2 cubes. So this is the formula for difference of 2 cubes. X minus y times x square plus xy plus y square. This is the formula for difference of 2 cubes. So applying this formula, we can get factor for x cube minus 27 is equal to x cube minus 3 cube. So applying that formula, x minus 3 times x square plus 3x plus 3 square. So this is equal to x minus 3 times s square plus 3x plus 9. So the problem is limit x goes to 3. We can write numerator like this: x minus 3 s square plus 3x plus 9 over x minus 3. So dividing out the common factor, x minus 3 get cancelled. So the problem limit x goes to 3 s square plus 3x plus 9. So substitute 3 for all x's. 3 square plus 3 times 3 plus 9 is equal to 27. So this is your limit. So I hope this video help you to understand how to solve some limit problems. Thank you for watching.